Welcome to Ohio on a brisk mid-March morning. It's 30 degrees outside and we're still getting after it here at Lucore Automotive Services. This right here is a 2002 Chevrolet S10 pickup truck. This one is a regular cab, long bed, and we chose this truck because, well, let's be honest, it was cheap. It has an entirely new front suspension system, all new brakes, new upper and lower control arms, and that's pretty much all we really want out of this truck. Well, that and the frame, because we're going to use the frame from underneath this body and we're going to transplant it underneath an early 50s Chevrolet pickup truck. And because this is a regular cab long bed, it has a wheelbase of 108 inches, which is the perfect length to use Code 504's Chevrolet truck frame swap kit. So we are ready to pull the body, the cab, and the bed off of this frame so that we can start cleaning, painting, and preparing this chassis for its new body. I got to get a tool. Well, that was easy. Bed's off. Now it's time to get the cab off. That might take a little work. Well, for better or worse, this should be interesting. Don't try this at home. Well, that would have gone a lot smoother if we'd have remembered to disconnect the transmission cooler lines from the radiator. We already pulled the transmission out the bottom, but the cooler lines are still in there. Just a sec. It's free! Battery cable. there we have it. Body's off, engine's out. We have our bare frame, well, almost bare. We're still gonna strip down some more stuff. We're gonna sandblast the whole frame, clean it up, get it prepped for paint. Put the new Code 504 body mount kit on it. We'll get rid of the 4-cylinder engine mounts. We'll replace those with some V8 motor mounts. It has new upper and lower control arms, new brake rotors, new calipers, new hoses, new sway bar links, all new steering components. And that's great because we were going to replace all that stuff anyway if it was an old used truck. So now it's time to clean up the frame, make sure everything on it's good to go, make it black, and then we'll be getting ready to do a body swap to an early 50s Chevy truck. I hope you enjoyed my show. Remember to comment below, give us a like. We'll see you next time.